Alright guys, today we got here the TC68 from Umarex. I'm just going to be doing a power test with the Sterling self-defense valve and his extension tip. It looks like a suppressor, but it's not. Also got the new bolt spring in as well. It's a stiffer bolt spring from Sterling, all from Sterling self-defense. I got some 8.6 gram smashers. I'm going to try this barrel configuration, and then I'm going to try the other Sterling self-defense long barrel I have. So, yeah, this one's the stock barrel with an extension on it. So, yeah, two different configurations. I got to hurry this up. I don't have much time. Don't know how long the neighbors are gone for. All the neighbors are great. It's just we have this one Karen. Okay. So let's get the crony on. Alright, so let's gas this sucker up. Okay, so my crony's on a diagonal. There's something under it. I hope that doesn't affect it. $518, $504, $525, okay, $507. So yeah, I'm not bad. Okay, 525. It's about 110 joules. So, bam, 110 joules with that little tiny suppressor, mock suppressor tip on the end. Yeah, we pushed an extra 10 joules, so not bad, guys. Anyways, once again, I gotta go pick up dinner, and crony's off, everything's off. Alright, so we'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Stay safe, take care, and have fun. Just don't have time to sit around and chat this one out, so y'all stay safe, guys.